so generous that when he won,
snail.
he gave me a
We're in the
flashlight
snail
backpack.
in today's. Boys, come on.
And I've just been having this.
We're gonna get the snail today.
Dude, my dumb self thought this broom went this way.
Come on, boys.
Okay, we're going to.
Wait, Cappy, can you buy me a big flashlight?
Now?
Boys, I'm just gonna get a big flashlight.
You can't put the snail in a bag. You can't put it in a bag.
Yeah, that's why I brought a bag. Oh no. Oh, wait, red. Red. Where's red? Red, look at this.
Okay.
Dang!
That's really
I'm pretty
rare.
sure everyone got that.
It's what
I never
somebody
got
gave
one,
it
but
to
I
me
got like
for
the normal
free.
phase 1.
Boys, let's
We're
go.
going to get
Who
snail.
wants to go get snail?
I'm going to get snail. See ya.
Same.
Me.
Everyone. There's multiple.
Let's go. My brother. My bad. My brother. My bad. My brother. My bad. My brother.
Don't worry, I'm the flashlight
My
guy.
bad. My bad. I did not mean to hit you.
Will you zoom up here? Like,
You can just
I do.
zoom up like that.
Boys, I'm a machine. Nobody. I'm pretty sure.
How?
I know where they
dare I
spawn,
do
boys. Oh my god, I forgot you can't go on metal.
wall hop. I made it. No.
I'm up. I'm there. Hello. Capybara's just coming, boys.
Do you even have a mic? Do you even have a mic?
Who has a mic?
Hey, wait.
I have a mic.
I have mic. What's your?
Do you have a mic? Do you have a mic? Do you have a mic?
Boys, somebody turn the machine off.
It's on, it's
Red,
on.
do you want to turn the machine off?
My brother.
Yeah. Get the key card. I will hold it on for him.
I love the grappler. I just unlocked it, boys. I just unlocked the grappler.
No. Hey guys.
Here's the grappler. Bro, here's the grappler. Yo, here's the grappler.
I'll choose mine.
Okay, boys,
Where
let's
did my
go.
light go?
Everyone follow me. Follow me.
The red cat took it.
Everyone follow.
Red cat. My brother.
They say follow if you're hollow to me. And I'm not hollow. Boys, everyone say the code 8430.
I already know the code. Everyone should know the code already.
I know it, but I just tell people if it's their first time playing. So. Woo. Okay, boys, everyone just stare at the eye. Just don't let it touch you.
It didn't spawn. It did not spawn.
Wait, boys, check
I'm
the
going
other
back.
bit.
It's fine. I take that back.
Guys, it didn't spawn.
Did it not?
I took it off.
Go back out or you will die. 2 hits and you're dead. Why am I red one?
You have a mic.
Everybody go out of room B5. You're gonna die. 2 hits and you're dead. Just go out. Bro, just go out. You will die in 2 hits. You almost be dead by now, bro.
Boys, you wanna
Can you guys just please go out?
Is Cat okay? You okay, Cat? Cat, you okay? Cat looks like he just died. I died, boys. Me and Cat with a Squid Games mask died.
Me too.
Oh.
Butter. Butter. Yeah.
I'm going back to spawn.
Boys, we need to get the snail.
Why do you guys keep dying?
We're coming back.
You guys took
Everyone come back. Everyone go back. Everyone go.
2 hits from the dog and you're dead. By the way, where's the office?
Don't care.
Bro.
I don't know where it is.
I don't know where it is. Where's the office? You just walk straight to the office.
Oh, alright. Let's go.
I'm right now in that big.
I like doing this. Even when I've got a flashlight, don't worry. Not big, but I just have this flash. Oh,
There's no
I've got the
snail,
glow
there's-
stick. No, get away. Thank you, little glow stick. Let's not go in the office. Let's go. Whoa. Oh no. Wait,
How'd
let
you
me
guys not die? How'd you
Oh.
guys like not die from the radioactive thing?
Where is everyone? Oh, hi, Mr. Cat.
What guys? Oh, it didn't spawn. It didn't spawn. Where does it spawn? Oh!
I'm sorry.
Oh. Why are you trying to kill me?
I'm sorry.
I can juke kids. Psych, that's the wrong number.
Yellow J5. Blue is 7G.
What do you?
What do you want, Cappy?
Are you coming?
We're already in the place. Boys, come down to the.
Oh, can you help?
Nah, we're already in the radiation.
Okay, well I'm in that big.
It's just through that big door. Boys, let's go through. Let's go. Boys, we need to go. We need to go through.
Do not stare at it. Why are you staring at it? Look, there's a lot of people stare. See? That's what happens when you stare at it.
What big door? Let's check like every big door. Big door.
Ah. Why? Why would you do this to me?
I'm over the line. I'm over the line. Are you where the dog is? Come, tell me. Tell me what.
My brother died. Oh! Bye! Oh, I'm freaking cool.
We're going to walk in.
You did.
It's not there. It did
I
not
can't.
spawn.
I can't. I'm sorry.
They're gonna kill you.
I can't. I'm sorry. I can't.
Get a grappler! Get a grappler!
Cappy!
Yeah?
I'm sorry I didn't revive you, bro. I'm sorry. I'm kind of sorry. Gabby, can you revive me? Can you revive
Just
me?
trying to understand.
I can't right now, the dog's on me.
Good doggy.
Why are you running? Stop. You are reaching enemies safe and close. Stop.
Gabby, just hold my body so I don't respawn. Hold my body. Hold me so I don't respawn, Cappy.
Then come to me.
Am I here?
I have a grappler. What do I put down, the light or the grappler?
The light. Take it. Just grab me.
Good luck. I couldn't get you when you slept.
Oh, I
Ding
respawned. Boys,
Yo,
let's
yo,
go
yo,
back.
yo.
We're trying to
1244. 1244.
die capybara. Yeah.
What's your YouTube name?
Console King 1244. Yeah.
Console King 1244.
Yeah, Console
I'm
King.
going back to
You
spawn.
better subscribe.
When I make a YouTube channel, it's probably gonna be Allight or whatever, huh?
Yeah, so if you watch my channel, I'll be posting the video tonight.